For this yummy Hariyali khichdi, in a mixer add coriander leaves, green chillies, lemon with some water and grind it into a fine green paste. Soak your Shabudana overnight, add fine crushed peanuts, salt and sugar and mix it very well. In a kadhai, add oil, let it get hot, add the jeera and the green paste that we have prepared earlier and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Add in the Shabudana, mix it very well and then cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame with the lid on. Add in a spoonful of ghee and let it cook again for about 5 to 6 minutes until it turns shiny. The Shabudana turns shiny and transparent. It means Hariyali khichdi is ready to be served. I have served it along with peanuts and coriander. You can have this while you are fasting as well as while you are not. So please make this and enjoy.